Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the phone, guys. So the upcoming new smartphone of OnePlus 8T is pictured in a case listing. The OnePlus 8T is expected to be announced in this month in October 14, and predictably, the phone's been a regular at the rumor mile. In the past week, we had a set of render leaked recently showing a relocated camera assemble, and now a case maker is giving us another quick look. After a quick debate, we are calling these photos as opposite to the render. It sure looks like the real thing. The phone is placed inside a case made so bubble case, so judging the exact color is out of the question, but the shots do give us more detailed view of the camera system. Unlike a one leaks more generally representation in these images, you can make out what with just by the size of the glass elements. Ultra wide angle on the top, main camera in the middle, it's thin, likely the macro below them with the deep sensor to the right. This is for that other leak is correct on the camera configuration, which it seems to be looking at this picture. It gets more interesting from there, like what that diamond like ring around what we just call it to macro camera. Could it be a ring flash for illuminating your close-up subject, or is it simply a design accent we are rooting for the farmer naturally? Right about at the deep camera, there is dual LED flash. That flash alright, but what the element next up is remain unclear too. It could well be another dual LED flash with a different light temperature, or it could be an extra sensor that reads light temperature and helps with white balance. Other than that, we are seeing the OnePlus 8 control scheme has been carried over. The power button and the notification slider are on the right. The volume rocker is on the left of the phone. The OnePlus 8T rumored specs include 6.55-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. That one actually officially confirmed it. Snapdragon 865, note the 865 Plus chipset and 65-watt rapid charging. No 8T Pro talk for more. We will need wait a couple of weeks because this phone is launched on October 14. So we will wait for the upcoming OnePlus 8T. This is the pictured in case listening and some render. The other specification of the OnePlus 8T rumor says it will come with a 5G connectivity with 6.55-inch big screen, 1080p by 2400 pixel. Rumor says it will come with 8 and 12 gigabytes RAM, and the battery size is 4500 mAh battery. So let's see in October 14. Make sure to like this video, and if you like this new smartphone from OnePlus, give it like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and see you in my next video, guys. Peace out and bye.